Learning a new language sounds hard, but it doesn't have to feel stressful. Today, let's talk about learning languages in a friendly and relaxed way using clear and natural B2 English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Listening. My name is Jacob, and this channel helps you improve your English by listening every day. I keep things simple and real. If you hear a difficult word, don't worry. I'll explain it clearly. Learning a language is a journey. It takes time. It also takes patience. A journey means a process that happens step by step, not all at once. Many people think they must be perfect. That idea creates pressure. Pressure means feeling stressed because you expect too much from yourself. The truth is simple. Mistakes are normal. They are helpful. A mistake is something incorrect, but it helps you learn. When you learn a new language, your brain is training, just like a muscle. A muscle is part of your body that gets stronger with practice. Your brain works the same way. Some days feel easy. Other days feel confusing. Both are okay. Confusing means difficult to understand clearly. The key is consistency. Small practice every day is better than long study once a week. Consistency means doing something regularly. Listening helps a lot. Hearing real voices trains your ears. Train here means improve a skill through practice. Speaking is also important. Even short sentences matter. Don't wait to be perfect. Another helpful idea is enjoyment. If learning feels boring, motivation disappears. Motivation means the desire to do something. Use music, use videos, talk to people, make it fun. Languages open doors. They connect you with people and cultures. Culture means the way people live, think, and communicate. Every language you learn changes the way you see the world. That's powerful. B2 language tip. Notice phrases like step by step. The key is consistency and open doors. These expressions sound natural and friendly at B2 level. Learning a language should feel calm, not stressful, not heavy. Many people think they must study a lot every day. That idea scares them, and they stop. Small effort works better. A little every day is enough. You don't need perfect plans. You need simple habits. Listen when you have time. Speak when you feel ready. Some days feel good. Words come easily. Other days feel slow. That is normal. It happens to everyone. Progress is not straight. It goes up and down. Don't rush yourself. Speed is not the goal. Comfort is the goal. When you feel relaxed, learning becomes easier. Your brain stays open. You remember more. Stop checking your level every day. Just keep going. Language learning rewards patience, not pressure. A language should live with you, not sit in a book. Use it in real moments, while watching videos, while scrolling, while relaxing. You don't need special time. You need natural time. Speak when you can. Even short thoughts matter. Talking to yourself is fine. It builds confidence. Mistakes will happen. They always do. Don't stop because of them. Move forward. Your accent is part of you. It tells a story. Rest when you feel tired. Pushing too hard breaks motivation. Learning grows quietly, day by day, word by word. One day you understand more. Another day you speak easier. That's how it works. No pressure, no fear, just consistency. Motivation comes and goes. That's normal. Don't wait for it. Move without it. Some days you feel excited. Other days you feel lazy. Both days count. Show up anyway, even for a few minutes. Learning works better when it feels light, not when it feels forced. Change your method sometimes. New videos, new voices, new topics. Boredom kills progress. Curiosity brings it back. Celebrate small wins, understanding a sentence, replying without thinking too much. Those moments matter. You are learning more than you think. It just happens quietly. Trust the process. Stay relaxed. Your journey is yours, not someone else's. Don't copy how others learn. Take what fits you. Some people love grammar. Some don't. Some speak early. Some wait. There is no wrong way, only your way. Be kind to yourself. Learning takes time. Languages grow with patience, not with stress. One day you realize something. You understand more. You speak easier. That moment feels good, and it comes naturally. Keep it simple. Keep it friendly. Keep moving forward. So today, we talked about learning languages in a simple way. We learned that short practice works, that mistakes are normal, and that learning should fit your life, not control it. Language learning is not about speed, it's about comfort. It's about showing up, even on slow days. If this lesson felt helpful, subscribe to the channel for daily English listening. We keep things friendly, clear, and real here. You can listen a little every day and grow naturally. Thanks for spending time with me. I'll see you in the next lesson.